rideshare drivers, like I said, I've been doing it for 5 years and over 11,000 trips. A lot of our driving is either stop and go or short little hops. The EV is using regenerative braking, where it's using like the kinetic energy that the motors have already put forward to propel you forward, and then recouping that energy and putting it back into the battery pack. So that is not only decelerating the vehicle, but it's extending your range. But there's no way to do that in a gas car. If you're sitting idling in a gas car, you're burning gas. There is no place that gives away free gas. In an EV, you can grab a lot of charge completely free. Maintenance, when your car is down, you can't make money. EVs are literally almost maintenance free. And the amount of rebates and incentives, that are available depending on which electric car you get and where you're getting it, and what state you live in. If you do it right and you play the numbers and you do all the research, I've heard of people getting $17,000 off the cost of a brand new electric vehicle.